Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hope everyone is doing fine and working really hard. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us immense knowledge of His book and teach us the right way to recite. Ameen, Ameen. Let us go and take the next part of madda. In the last video, we have seen 4 madd. Madd were elongations, and we have seen the first 4, that is badal, iwad, zughra and kubra. Today inshallah ta'ala will be taking madd fari'i. Those are the madd with more than 2 counts of elongation. So it will be more than 2 counts, and you will see this symbol today. Okay, in Urdu Quran you will be also having this little wave symbol and the bigger symbol, but that's how to identify which is what madd the right way. Inshallah ta'ala we will see. You just have to concentrate. This is the madd symbol we will be concentrating. Today we'll be taking muttasil, munfasil and lazim. Okay, so this is rule number 5, 6 and 7, and this is madd muttasil, madd munfasil and the madd lazim. If you have not gone through the first video, I request that you please watch that first and please come back here. That will make more sense inshallah. So what is muttasil, munfasil and lazim? Everywhere you will have this symbol as said. You should remember here madd and hamza are like best friends, okay, for muttasil and munfasil, and they will come always together and a bit far in some cases. When you have madd and hamza in the same word, then it is called as madd muttasil. And if you have got madd and hamza separated, that means one word is ending with madda, the other word is starting from hamza, and they are separated, then that is called as madd munfasil. Very easy to remember. If they are together, then muttasil. If they are far, then it is munfasil. By the way, fasla means a distance, right? So they have distance between them. So, and what is lazim? Here lazim is like independent of hamza. You will have just this symbol. Okay, so all the 3 madd, you just got it there. So madd muttasil is the one where madd and hamza are together. If they are far apart, then it is munfasil. And you have lazim, that means the compulsory madd, and that does not have any hamza whatsoever. Okay, then what are the elongations? Since these are far, munfasil, you will elongate them anywhere between 3 to 5 counts. That is nothing but tawassut elongation. Muttasil and lazim are the biggest of the madd, and you will give 6 counts or approximately 3 seconds of elongations. These elongations are called as tul elongation. The intermediate one elongation is called as tawassut, and the big 6 counts wale elongations are called as tul elongation. Inshallah ta'ala. Let us see few examples. So if you can see here, ma and a'budu. So you have ma ending with hamza, and the next word it is starting from hamza, right? It is starting from hamza. Then they are far, right? Now that is the example for munfasil, and you can elongate anywhere between 3 to 5 counts. The same thing goes for alladhi at'amahum. Yes, the and at'amahum. Their ya is having madda, and a bit far apart in the second word, the word is starting from hamza. They are far, but then hamza are there, but they are far. Okay, so that is example for munfasil. Similar to this, you can see a few examples of muttasil here. Okay, now muttasil, as you can see, they are in the same word. Madd is also there, hamza is also there, but they are in the same word. No 2 words are there. Okay, for example, awliya'u, 6 counts. As said, very biggest of the madds are muttasil and lazim. So you are gonna extend liqa'ana sawa'un. Yes, only exceptions are there. What are the exceptions? You have ya ayyuha. Seems like you just have like the same word, you have ya and ayyuha, but they're different. Okay, same happens to haulai. Okay, these are a few of the exceptions where it looks like muttasil but they are munfasil, because in that ya ayyuha you have two words. Agar two separate words ke beech mein mad and hamza are there, then it is munfasil rather than muttasil. So elongation should be given accordingly. And you have got this last one, that is lazim. Okay, there you go. And you can see here you have dhalin. Yes, you have madda, but there is no hamza. That is how you understand what is lazim. For muttasil munfasil, hamza comes, but for lazim there is no hamza. Okay, then again you have hajjaka, right? 6 counts you are extending. And what is count? As I said in the last classes, the time taken to read one huruf. One huruf, yes, you are taking, this is ba, 1 count. 2 huruf you are taking, ba, that is the time. 3 huruf, ba, now that is 3 counts. When I am telling 6 counts, you just have to add 3 more bas or tas, and it will be ba, that much, inshallah. So what are the patterns, possible patterns you'll get lazim in? In lazim you can just have this mad, like in Suratul Qalam you have noon, done. There is nothing forward, backward, upward, downward, nothing. Okay, then you can have mad and another mad, like one after the other, like alif, lam and mim, right? Either you can have few example you just saw, like dhalin, you have mad and shadda coming, or madda a sakin. Okay, these are the possible cases. Okay, so these are the 3: mad, muttasil, munfasil and lazim. Hope you have understood this very easy concept. Please watch the next video, and inshallah ta'ala there you will just complete all the maths. Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.